everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with another unboxing video and I hope everyone is doing well. And this bag right here I purchased back in October of 2019 and I am trying to decide if I'm going to keep or sell this bag, okay? So just to give you guys a little hint, this is what I would consider a summer or spring bag, and because summer and spring is pretty much canceled as of right now, I don't think that I'll be wearing this bag much, so I don't want it to just sit for too long of a time. So you guys let me know what you think that I should do. So let's go ahead and get straight into the unboxing. Okay guys, so this is the bag that I bought, and this is the Speedy 25 Damier Azur Bandouliere version, and this is a gorgeous bag. I mean, I pictured myself wearing this bag this spring and this summer with my spring dresses, and you know, it's just a gorgeous bag. And I know a lot of people still wear this bag in the winter and fall and it looks great on them, but I literally go nowhere in the winter and fall, and I pretty much wear like black leggings and a black t-shirt every day in the winter and fall, so it really would just sit in, you know, during those months. So I'm really considering selling this bag. So you do get some versatility with this bag. You do have the vachetta leather strap that you can use to carry it as a crossbody or as a shoulder bag. You can also wear this bag handheld or in the crook of your arm, so again, you do have some versatility. I think that the size of this bag is a great size. If you're someone that carries small bags where you just carry everyday essential items, this bag is going to fit your everyday essential items, plus you will have room for other items as well. So this can definitely be a good bag for you for work or, you know, everyday errand running and things like that. Most likely I am going to sell this bag and then just either keep the money or put it towards something else that I may use. And this bag right here is not always sold out, so it definitely will be something that I can pick up next spring or summer if I choose to do so. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions or comments, you can leave those below. And if you like luxury goods as much as I do, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And as usual, I thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.